morning. My name is Vaishnavi from Shivashakti Vidyalaya, grade 9. My project is automatic separating garbage machine to separate the biodegradable and non-biodegradable automatically for ozone layer. This project addresses the problem when we burn both biodegradable and non-biodegradable dust at same ozone layer is affecting and air pollution happens. If ozone layer is having a big hole from this situation, from this skin irritation, problems, discussions are happening, and also we burn the both dust at same. It produces dangerous smoke and poisonous gas. They affect lungs of people and animals. The advantages of automatic separating garbage machine. My project proposed that this automatic separating garbage machine is very useful for every village, and green boxes go for farming land and blue boxes go for recycling industries. So there is no work for burning both types at same